So what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley Nicole for those who don't know me, and today I'm in a different setup. I'm in my front room on my couch. Just wanted something different, but I really wanted to come to y'all today. So you guys, as you can see by the title, I bought an Amazon wig. Now I was looking, because I'm a well-known Amazon shopper. I love Amazon and I have Amazon Prime. So I bought a wig and two other things off Amazon that I wanted to show you guys. I'm also adding a new playlist called Amazon Wigs. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it, but I will, by the time I post this video, then the link will be down below and it'll be named and everything, but it has something to do with Amazon Wigs. Now, how, you know, YouTube, they usually review like Sam's Beauty wigs and Ebony Line wigs and some other wigs and AliExpress. But I wanted to do something different where I review Amazon wigs, whether it's a frontal, a lace frontal wig, or a full lace wig, or a closure wig, or whatever, and basically find that diamond in the rough of affordable and good quality Amazon wigs. Now this wig that I'm about to show you guys, and I'm also going to tell you the details on my phone. So yeah, I'm going to start that one. So if you guys want to see that, then hit the like button on this video, and once a month I'm going to basically review, give you in detail entire wigs, from the elasticity of the wig, the density of it, does it shed, basically how constructed the wig is, and overall how long would that wig last. When I wear hair, I wear hair. Now I'm a hair fanatic, so I know a lot about hair. If I'm spending all this money on wigs, then I should be able to get my money's worth out of my wig, right? So with that being said, if y'all want to see Amazon wigs and bundles and stuff like that, then like this video, comment down below any suggestions. Same month I'm going to bring you a new wig, show you the wig, and then another video I'm going to show you how I put my wig on. The third video will be that next month, where I give you a full month review on how the hair lasted and everything that I just named, far as shedding, elasticity, and all the other stuff. So after that, then we'll go on to a new wig, and I'll give you the details for that and all that. So each month it will be a new wig, versus, you know, some people off when they review off AliExpress, they give like a 2-week review. You can't, to me, you can't really wear your hair how you want to. So I don't know how they be doing unless they be real rough on their hair, but we're gonna do a month review. So this is what mine came in, and I got this hair from LIAZAHAIR. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but it just came in this black thing. So we're gonna open it together, but I'm gonna give you the details. I got a deep curly human hair lace front wig with baby hair, pre-plucked, natural hairline, Brazilian version hair bob wig in a 16-inch. So this is what it looks like. But they don't just have 16 inches. I just wanted 16 inches because I kind of wanted it just a tad bit short, but not super short or super long. But they do have a 10-inch, 12-inch, up until a 26-inch. And you either have the option of a full lace wig or a lace wig frontal. So I got the lace wig frontal. And they do take Amazon Prime. It came in 2 days. And they did have 4.5 reviews, so they were almost at 5-star reviews. I paid $119.23 on its own, but I did buy some other stuff with it, so I didn't give y'all the total. I just gave y'all the total of what it was by itself. So I haven't opened it yet, so it doesn't have nothing on it except their sticker and their logo. So when you open it, okay, looks like this. So it's that, this ain't mesh, but I don't know what you call it, but it came in like this cute bag that you can tie up, so that's cool. They also came, and I actually needed one of these. It came with a detangler brush, all sealed up, and they came with a deluxe wig cap, a 2-piece, so it came with 2. It's 2 deluxe wig caps. What color is this? This ain't my color, but this is like a light brown color. So it came with 2 of them, so that's really good. Because I was thinking about buying some, because I was like, no, I'll just wait. Beauty supply store ain't that far from me. But that's cool. So, okay, when you open it up, it's like in this Ziploc bag. Okay, it doesn't have a smell to it. So this is what it came in. This is what the hair looks like. It has a mesh thing on it. And then on the inside, this is what it looks like. Off rip, this hair is soft. But that's how some virgin hairs are, right? Automatically soft until you wash it, then you know exactly what you're getting. I'll let y'all see it. So y'all can see the ends of it. Like, this hair is really soft. Off rip, because it's lace frontal, so this is what, a 3x4. So you get a good amount of parting space, but you don't get a lot, like a 13. This is a 13x4 frontal. That's cool though if you want to wear it in a ponytail. See, you get the standard parting space, and it comes with 4 combs, 1 at the top, 3 on the sides, and 1 in the back with adjustable strap. I like that because sometimes wigs don't come with adjustable strap, and I like that. And then at the bottom, it comes with like a little lace, as if it was a full lace or a 360. So if you probably want to put it in a ponytail. And then the adjustable straps with the comb, and then you got all the combs right here. The knots aren't bleached, so I don't know if y'all could see that, but they aren't bleached. I don't know if I'm gonna bleach them. So you see those black grids? That means they're not bleached. I got this blockhead off Amazon. I wanted something that could actually fit my actual head, because my head is a 21.5 inches, so that's how I get my wigs. But this wig, it didn't ask you for that. This is the hairline. So, you know, it comes with ear tabs. That's the ear. It say it's plugged. It was pre-plugged, but this ain't pre-plugged to me at all. Y'all let me know. But this is not pre-plugged. It came with, what's that, a side part? Came with just a few baby hairs. So that's a plus, because I can just trim some of this and pluck it off. That way I don't have to disturb the longer pieces. And this is my first time actually trying. It looked like they tried to pluck something right here, but that's not my liking. Parting spaces that the knots aren't bleached. Then I'll show y'all how they constructed it in the back. which is nothing but lines of tracks, because this is a frontal wig, not a full lace. So this was actually, from what it looks like it's sewn with a sewing machine. I got 3 strands, so I don't know if y'all can see that. But overall, this hair is really soft. I don't see any grays so far, and none of the knots are bleached. So y'all, if y'all want to see this wig on your Amazon Prime, then I will link that down below. Yeah, I don't know if I want to do like the flip over method, because this is my first time wearing curly hair, and I've always wanted to wear deep curly hair. Stay tuned for my next video on me styling this hair and actually putting it on my head using Isha Luxury wig fashion glue. So we gonna see, and then I will show y'all how I will take it off as well. So stay tuned for that video. If you have any suggestions on how I should do this hair, how should I style it, then let me know down below in the comment section, and I reply to everybody in my comments. So girl, so yes, talk to me. I will talk to you back. Also, follow all my social media handles down below as well. My Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook page when I go live and all that stuff. I haven't been live in a while. So make sure you subscribe if you're new, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Tanks with no fish in them. Drizzy still got some 06 in them. IRS all in my books getting they matlock on. All this capital, it's like I left the caps lock on. It's like every